So guys, we're just going to show you how to take the headlights out of a VW Polo. So we're going to get straight on into it. So first off, we have the plug just at the back here. You just pull that back and then that will release. So with the plug out of the way, we've literally just got these two T30s here that we just got to undo. So you've got one that side, one that side. Once the T30s are removed, you just grab the headlight and pull it towards you. Headlight removed. So just putting the light back in then, we've got to make sure we slide the headlight back into these clips. Come into the top, put the T30 screws back in. Now the headlight's back in place, don't forget, just plug the plug back in, just pushes in. Nice and tight. So if you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. See you later.